how to organize Zendesk tickets. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize tickets in Zendesk. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the Zendesk website and click on Sign In. You might need to click it again depending on your page. Enter your email and password, then hit Enter or click Sign In. Once you're logged in, head to the Zendesk Products menu and select the Admin Center. Inside Admin Center, click on Workspaces. Now, select Views. Views are what help you organize tickets into groups based on the rules you set. Click on Add View to create a new one. Give your view a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. For example, High Priority Tickets or Billing Issues. Next, add rules to filter your tickets. You can sort them by status, assignee, tags, or other conditions that fit your workflow. Once your rules are in place, click Save. And that's it, you've successfully organized your tickets in Zendesk using custom views. This makes it so much easier to manage your queue and ensure no customer request is missed. That's all for the video.